My name is Wilbert Williams and I'm the president of Williams Industries. We're located in Romulus, Michigan, and we're in the laser cutting business. We make tubes. We fabricate tubes for the solar industry, primarily ground support structures for solar arrays. We make A-frames, we fabricate torque tubes. So this is the PT series that we purchased from Bodor in 2019. It was installed in 2020. It's a hybrid machine in that we have a plate side and we have a tube side. So we have the ability to cut plates up to 19 millimeters thick, and we're able to cut tubes up to 230 millimeters in diameter. This machine has been very, very reliable. We have had very few issues with it, and for the most part it has functioned flawlessly for the past 6 years. Now, because of the reliability of this machine, we ended up purchasing a second laser. This machine was installed in 2026, February of 2026. It's a 6 kilowatt M3 machine with a fully automated loading device and a fully automated unloading device. This machine has the capability of handling tubes up to 350 millimeters in diameter, and the length of the tubes that can be accommodated by the loader is 12 meters or close to 40 feet, and the unloading device is able to accommodate 12 meters or 40 feet also. Very reliable machine, absolutely phenomenal in terms of its speed for cutting, and it's a great product from Bodor. I would highly recommend Bodor. I think I've recommended Bodor to about 30 customers, and I would say about 75% of them have purchased machines from Bodor.
Bodor, dare to dream.